Welcome to this LinkPoint Blade tutorial. Here, we'll demonstrate how to record an email to Salesforce directly from Outlook. First, we'll record an email in the inbox. Select an existing item, and note that the side panel automatically displays search results. These are based on the sender and recipient email addresses available in Salesforce along with the related records. Check the Suggested Records section at the bottom of the side panel. These are recommended based on matching Salesforce records with the same email address. You can choose to accept the suggested record by clicking the checkbox. The email will be recorded to Salesforce automatically. You can also search the side panel for any Salesforce record based on your existing permissions. Click the checkbox for the record or records you wish to record the email to. Once checked, the selected records will appear in the Related to Salesforce section of the side panel. Unchecking the box will remove the selection. Unchecking all of the boxes in the Related to Salesforce section will also remove the email from Salesforce. Note that when you record an email to Salesforce, the CRM category is displayed automatically as a reminder in Outlook that the email has been recorded. You can view the recorded email at any time in Salesforce by clicking the Open Record icon in the Related to Salesforce header of the side panel. Recording an outbound email is very similar. Compose your email and address it as needed. Again, you can choose to accept the available suggested records at the bottom of the side panel or in the search results. You can also search for records as needed. Attachments can also be recorded to Salesforce. Simply click the checkbox for the attachment to add it to the Related to Salesforce section. Users must select at least one record to relate the email to in Salesforce before the attachment can be recorded. Send the email when ready. Note that outbound emails will sync to Salesforce automatically, by default, every 30 minutes. If you need the email synced to Salesforce sooner, you can open the Preferences pane. Expand the Administration and Sync section, and click the Initiate Background Email Sync icon. For more information, visit linkpoint360.com.